you've not made somebody mad, by 12 o'clock, you're not making enough offers. Hey, so we just wrapped up a coaching call where we're talking about making offers. And it's really important you understand the importance of making offers. And if you can get into the habit, I'm telling you guys, if you can get into the habit of making 1 or 2 offers a day, you will do deals. It's as simple as that. It's not a complicated business. It doesn't matter if you're doing commercial, apartments, multifamilies, houses, land, whatever. If you want to do more deals, make more offers. Like any problem in business, no matter what your business is, but especially real estate investing, making more offers will solve it. What's the number one rule in real estate? I've said this a million times. It's not location, location, location. It's make offers, make offers, make offers. That's it. You make 1 offer a day, 5 days a week. What is that? 5 offers a week, 20 offers a month, okay? After 4 months, you've made 80 offers. After 5 months, you've made 100 offers. Then now, every month, you've got an additional 20 people to follow up with, right? So by month 2, at the end of month 2, you've made 40 or 50 offers, right? Now you're following up with those people every 30 days, okay? And this is where the magic happens. This is where the real momentum begins, because you're gonna find out that your deals start coming from the follow-up. They start coming up from the people that you followed up with, that you've been making offers to. And so when you follow up, you say, hey, this is Joe, how you doing, Jim? You probably don't remember me. I'm following up on that offer that I sent you 30 days ago or last week or last month. I'm just following up. Have you sold the property yet? Are you still interested in selling it yet? I'm looking at my notes here, and it was listed with the realtor. I'm sure the realtor has gotten you lots of offers, right? But I'm just asking questions, and I'm following up with the offers that I sent before. Do you see the power of this? When you're following up with sellers, you're following up with previous offers. That's where the deals come from. So you feel like, oh, I'm not making that much progress. I'm only making 1 or 2 offers a day, which is a lot, but let's say you're just getting a little discouraged. It adds up. And pretty soon, if it's 1 out of every 30 or 50 offers that gets accepted, bam, now all of a sudden, you've made your 50th offer, it gets accepted. Maybe 5 offers later, you get another offer accepted. Now you're averaging 1 out of 25, 1 out of 30 offers are getting accepted, and you keep on doing that over and over again. And then eventually you get to a place, guys, get this is where the magic happens. You get VAs to start making offers for you, virtual assistants. You start training your kids how to make offers for you. That's what I did. I have 4 kids. When my boys were teenagers, like 13, 14 years old, I had them doing these land deals. And we started doing, in the 2 or 3 years that we worked together with me and my sons, doing the land deals very, very, very part-time. We would go in and out, sometimes we would do a lot and then take a few months off. But anyway, we did about $150,000 in profits over those 2 or 3 years, flipping vacant land, doing it very part-time with my teenagers. And what was the key to it? We just made a lot of stinking offers. That was all. And I paid my boys out of the profits in the deal. So I would pay them an hourly rate, right? Because I didn't want them to get too discouraged to have to wait too long before starting to see any money. But it was like a draw. So I would pay them, I think it was like 15% of the profits on the deal. And I would subtract what I'd already paid them in hourly rate, right? And these boys, man, they had enough money by the time they were 15 years old, 16 years old to buy a really nice car with cash, okay? So it's all about making offers. That's what I'm trying to emphasize and clear up for you guys, so that you understand that it's not that complicated. You just got to make a lot of offers. It shouldn't take you more than 5-10 minutes to come up with an offer, and the more you make, the more money you'll make. If you want to make money, you got to do deals. If you're going to do deals, you need to make offers. And if you got to make offers, well, you need to talk to sellers. If you need to talk to sellers, if you need leads, then you need to do marketing. This business is very, very simple. I know we're not worried about all of steps 7 and 8. Do you need money? How does the paperwork work? How do you find the private investors? How do you find the realtors? Is it illegal, immoral, and fattening to wholesale deals? You don't have to worry about any of that, right, guys? Because you've been making a lot of offers. That's all you need to worry about. By the way, sometimes you got to stop taking yourself so seriously, because when you make a lot of offers, guess what? You're going to make people mad. You're going to make people mad, and people are going to get furious that you're making these ridiculous lowball offers. They're going to tell you things like, I would never give my property away. I turned down 5 other offers that were higher than that. They're going to get mad, and you're going to get maybe a little discouraged and deflated and be like, oh man, this doesn't work. I've made my 5th offer and they've all said no. And it's easy to get discouraged. It's easy to get your feelings hurt, because we all want people to like us, right? So sometimes you just got to take a little step back and know that we're not in this business to make friends, really. mean, we're in this business to make money. I think it was Harry Truman that said, if you want a friend, get a dog. So you're gonna make people mad, right? And they're gonna get furious that you would have the audacity. How dare you make an offer so offensive and so low? Well, you know, if you want to make everybody happy, give them an offer and give them whatever price they want. You'll make lots of people happy. You'll make a lot of friends, but you won't make any money. So realtors are going to get so furious and mad at you that you would dare waste their time with such a low ball offer. You got to learn how to soften your offers a little bit, because they're going to be offensive. They're going to make people mad. And I say, listen, if you want full price for your property, I'm not your guy, because my offer is going to probably make you mad. You know, I'm sorry, but I'm looking at active properties here and sold properties here. And based on that, blame it on the numbers. Always blame it on the numbers. I don't think I'm going to be able to get you anywhere near that. You're probably going to throw my offer away. And in fact, if I were you, I would just list my property with an agent. You know, if it's a house, I would probably clean the house up. I would fix it all up and paint the walls and clean it up and maybe get new carpet. And I would list it with an agent, because that's how you're going to get the most for your property. But if you just want to be done with it, if you just want to get rid of it, if you want fast cash now, then you should probably consider my offer, take my offer. But you know, if this isn't going to work, that's fine. I'll send you an offer. I'll also send you the names and phone numbers of 5 other realtors that have sold vacant land or sold properties in the area, and you should give them a call. You should talk to them and get offers from them so you kind of know what you're doing. I'm trying my best to be like, my offer is going to be low, preparing them for it. But it's okay if you're mad at me. Just, this is kind of where I need to be at. The other thing I'll sometimes do is, sometimes the seller won't tell me what they want, or you know, I know that they want it's way high and what I'm going to be offering is way low. So I might say, what's the least you would take for the property? And they say, well, I don't know, you called me, make an offer. I say, well, you know, I'm looking at properties here that are currently listed for this price, and I see some properties that are sold here for this price. So I'll say something like this to soften it a little bit. What if I were to offer something in this price range, this lower, how would that make you feel? And they might get mad. Oh, that's stupid, that's ridiculous. I say, well, wait a second. I said, good thing I didn't offer that then, right? I'm just talking about if I did. So what do we need to do to get you closer to that number? Sometimes, again, you know, when I'm trying to get a number out of a seller, I won't even make an offer until they tell me what they want. If they won't tell me what they want for the property, then I'll say, you know what, I'm sorry for wasting your time. You probably just should list your property with an agent. I'll give you some realtors that can help you sell your property, and just see what they say. If they, you know, they might say, no, just give me a number. I say, well, I'm looking here. I see a bunch of active listings or sold listings. I probably need to be somewhere in this price range. So what's the least you would take? Okay, does that make sense what I'm doing there? So we're not worried about the seller's feelings. We're not worried about making friends. We're worried about making 1 offer, 2 offers a day. That's it. Just making offers. And we know we're going to make somebody mad. And in fact, if you've not made somebody mad, by 12 o'clock, you're not making enough offers. You're not marketing enough, okay? So that's it, guys. That's all I wanted to talk about here is make offers. So if you like these videos, subscribe to this channel and give me a thumbs up, and comment down below. Let me know what you think. And also, if you want that offer kit, the offer software that I have, just go to simplelandkit.com. simplelandkit.com. We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.